Again, we will continue with the upgrade to R80.30. Last video we saw how to migrate, export the configuration and copy the clish commands. Now I will power off this old one with the R7030 and I will start a new machine, fresh new R8030, and then I will import this one. Is for security gateway and management all in one. Again, it's Red Hat, and this GWM 8030. So we can know the difference between them. We said with split we can choose whatever we want, whatever size we want. We'll take 8 gig. We must have at least 2 CPU. I tried one 4 CPU. Let's try it again. It didn't work, but maybe now it will work. The first one is VMnet 1. The second one, VMnet 2, VMnet 10. And the third one is not exactly the same as the old R7730 firewall. That's it. Finish. Power on. Start to install. I will use the same interface. We want to allow only this PC to manage the firewall, so I will use the ETH1 10553. Okay. Okay, we will continue with the installation. Same as in the R7030, 730, we want as much as we can logs. Let's try log more. Okay. We need system root for upgrading and TG and hotfix name, and we need logs as much as we can for security logs. Hello. Oh, okay, we'll use the same ETH1. 1 minute. Let's check. 10553. Not this one, this one. 10553. We will change the default gateway later. That's it. We have to wait till the installation process will finish. I will pause now. Okay, the installation is completed. I will reboot. The next step is to install the deployment agent to upgrade the deployment and the hotfix. And then we will paste the clish commands and after it we will import the database. The firewall rebooted. Now we will continue with deployment agent and hotfix. It takes some time for all the process. Looks okay, but probably we need just to wait a little bit and it will work. Oh, advance, proceed. This is the first time wizard. This one is very important because here the checkpoint know if it's a gateway or management or both. GWM, Google DNS, all the rest I will configure with the clish commands. I choose both of them. I use a new administrator for the dashboard. That's it. I will pause for now. 90%. First time wizard is finished. Now we will restart. The firewall rebooted, but I still cannot log in. Oh, suddenly I just wanted to mention we need to wait a little bit because it's an heavy system. You can see it here in the top. It's like if we use 4 CPU, it shouldn't go upper than 4. And now the load average is 5. Now we will continue with the deployment agent and the hotfix. The deployment is the same for all versions. From here it's easier than the R7730. I did it from the console, from the SSH. Here it's easier. The deployment successfully. I will import the hotfix. I've imported the hotfix successfully. I will verify and then install. The hotfix verified. Now let's start install. Initiate. The hotfix installed successfully. Now we just have to wait for the reboot and continue.